Hello guys, today we are watching CSGO funny moment. No facecam, just reaction, let's go. What was the plan, man? Worst teammate ever. Kill him.
Bro, what the fuck?
Superhero.
Fucking, what the fuck? Open the door, what the fuck?
Burning man.
What the fuck?
Yeah, burn man.
There be. Nothing. Oh fuck, sorry.
Worst teammate ever.
Kill him, nice, keep going. Close one, close. Two.
One more.
We're so blind. Yeah, keep going. Flash left,
Jen.
I can't see anything.
This guy is trolling.
It's fine.
No way, bro.
He just had shot to him.
Are you serious? Very lazy, very poor man. Why? What the fuck? Ain't no way that worked.
Bro, охуеть!
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. نويت أصلي
عليكم السلام.
الله أكبر.
Allahu Ekber.
Yeah, of course. Amına sikeyim.
Okay, wait. You had one job.
Oh no, I have this glitch. Fuck. I can't defuse it.
Nice bomb, man. Unlucky, man. Unlucky. Nice flash. Nice flash, man.
Nope.
What was the plan, man?
Nope.
What was the plan?
Nope.
Low HP.
Burning, man.
What's wrong? Why are you burning?
What was the plan? What are you doing here? Boom! Are you Kanye West? Did you see it? Are you Kanye West? Bye bye. Team worst, whatever.
Yo, what the fuck?
Come on, bro.
Worst teammate.
What?
Nice gun. What? What is the plan, man? What is the plan?
Oh shit!
Here we go again. Who died?
Tommy.
What? What? Classic CSGO.
AK Headshot, er ist nicht tot!
Was ist ein AK Hedge?
What is the plan?